So now we are on the last step of tonight's video, and that is just going to be our Corvette lettering for the rear bumper. I have those right here, GM part. C5 rear letter set, stainless steel, polished. Letters right there. Gives you some glue in there as well, which is nice. So let's go ahead and get these letters in. I'll probably just do one or two of them on camera and then do the rest and then show you guys the finished product. I'll set you guys up on the money maker over here where I got the charger going to with the cell phone. Set you guys up right there, pointed at the Corvette logo. I'll do one or two and then I'll do the rest and bring you guys back in. All right, guys, we're ready to start our lettering. So I got them all laid out here. So that's something you definitely want to do when you're putting lettering on your vehicle. Make sure you got every single letter there that you're supposed to have, so you don't start going and then realize you missed a letter, or they didn't put a certain letter or a graphic or design or whatever it is in your package. And then you go to put it on and then you say, oh crap, I'm missing something, or I'm missing a letter. And then it looks kind of tacky, and then you got to wait and or send it back or peel it all off, and it just looks bad. So make sure you got everything out. Make sure you lay it out first. Make sure you got everything and then proceed. So we got everything. I put a picture up for you guys with the GM logo there and then the part number. And then we have our adhesive right here, our promoter. We're going to put that on the lettering first. Our directions say to let it dry, and then peel off our 3M backing on our letters and then stick those on. All right, quick update, guys, bringing you back in. I just put the adhesive on our letters here. The best way to do this that I find, or the quickest way to do it as well, is grab yourself a Q-tip and dab on your adhesive. So squeeze it with one hand, hold the Q-tip in the other, squeeze a little bit on there, and then go over your letters just like this. And that's the best way to get your adhesive on or inside these indentations of the letters. And then once that dries, then you can start sticking on your actual letters. But I found this, that's just a quick tip. I found this is the best way to do this, instead of just taking this whole thing and trying to dab this on there and having it run down on each one of the letters. And then you have to clean up your whole paint area here, and then it starts dripping down here, and then you just got a big mess, and it's starting to dry. So then you got to take chemicals, and it just becomes a process. So again, quick tip, use a Q-tip. There you go, there's your rhyme. So I'll get these letters on here once this stuff dries, and then that'll be it for today's video. All right, guys, I'm bringing you back in. We're at the last 3 letters. So that's what the first couple look like. And then now we're gonna install the last 3 here. Just wanted to keep the video a little shorter than having you guys just watch me peel off and paste letters. Everyone knows how to pretty much do this, but just wanted to get the last 3 letters on here on camera with you guys. So we just peel off our backing, place our letter in there, stick and hold for a few seconds. I was going about 10 to 15 seconds per letter. And again, use the Q-tip trick. Let your adhesive dry and then put your letters on. All right, on to our last letter here, which is E. I already stuck on the little separate piece right there. The E's in this Corvette lettering kit are just C's with an extra line in it. So this E right here is just a C, like this first letter is, the C in Corvette, plus one extra piece, which is the little line here. I already put this one in, this last one. So we just got the C to put in there now. There we go. Hold for 10-15 seconds, and then we are done with these 3 projects, guys. And so the Corvette is probably 95% done. So again, we still got the DRLs to put in, and we still got to paint these rusty looking rotors, and then our backup camera. And from then we should be golden. And no more projects with this thing for a while. Fingers crossed. All right, and there we go. Corvette lettering is on. Let me get you guys some light. I'll wipe this off camera, because that's what it says in the directions anyway. But we'll wipe that off and it'll look nice and shiny and clean. But Corvette lettering is on, emblem is on, wing is on. So we accomplished 3 projects tonight, guys. And again, you guys have already seen the reveal video of all of this. So this is just everything leading up to that reveal video. So this is, you guys are watching this after the reveal video. If you did not see the reveal video, make sure you guys go and watch that reveal video. Put a lot of time and effort into that. So I hope you guys appreciate that video. And again, Vincent, if you see the video, remember, if you don't like the black and red Moto AK-47, let me know. We'll change that to the white lettering that you commented down below. You were the only person that commented what you wanted on the back of the Corvette. So again, let me know if you don't like that look, and we will change it after you send me a couple I guess, couple designs that you like. So let me know about that. If any of you guys still want to put your input in, I am allowing comments to change that as well if you guys don't like how that looks or the placement on it. I definitely do want to go with that placement, but I am willing to hear you guys out on what you want to do. Again, I'm bringing you guys back in, or bringing you guys fully into the channel to help out with what you guys want to see on the channel and what you want to do with the vehicles and equipment on this channel. So let me know in the comments, guys, please. I'll talk back to you guys. You guys know I reply usually within a couple hours, if not minutes. So let me know, leave your comments, leave your suggestions, leave your constructive criticism as well. So I enjoy talking back with you guys and seeing the same vehicles, seeing the same problems, or seeing happy times, which is always good and what we want to see. So lastly, before I go, big shout out to Block a Chip. They really hooked this thing up and get it back to its shiny, pretty state. So we did our paint correction on this thing, 2 paint corrections actually. And then they put on they ceramic coated the rims, so an off wheel. So they did the barrels as well and the face of the rims. And again, shout out to Wheelcraft for ice, or the bright ice finish on those, which is the chrome finish that they have. And then Block a Chip hooking it up with the compound and polish and the commemorative edition stripes and the PPF film as well. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you go watch that reveal video if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the new one. I cannot wait to make some more content with the Corvette now that it is back home.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.